guys, welcome back to another epic video of Shom's Lifestyle, and we are back here at NS AutoZone. मतलब आप लोगों ने जो पिछला वीडियो देखा था Scorpio and Scorpio, उसी दिन रात को ये वीडियो शूट हो रहा है सेकंड फेज में, and we have XUV700 over here जिसमें crazy ऑडियो लगा है, सीट कवर लगा है, सॉफ्ट टच लगा है, many more things. So we are here at NS AutoZone CA block SaltLake sector 1. तो जरूर से इधर पे आओ, फोन करो, नीचे सारे के सारे जो भी इन लोगों का ब्रांचेस है, तीनों ब्रांचेस का नंबर, मैप लिंक एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया रहेगा. तो जरूर से कॉल करो, जरूर से इधर पे आओ, काम कराओ, एंड लेट्स गो इनसाइड, मीट द ओनर, show you some new products in the market, and then show you the car, and then you will hear the audio output. So again we have Mr. Sandeep over here. So hi, कैसे हो?
Hi, बहुत बढ़िया, मजेदार
एकदम. And आज जो है स्पेशल ऑडियो सेट.
Yes.
And the XUV700 AX5. ओके, मतलब ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी है, नॉर्मल है, ठीक ठाक चलेगा, लेकिन ऑडियो जो है एक नंबर होना चाहिए. बस. तो क्या क्या किया है, एंड पहले आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर और सब कुछ तो मैंने बता दिया है. एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, इंक्लूडिंग द मैप लिंक, योर चैनल लिंक, योर इंस्टाग्राम लिंक. एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. पीपल कैन रीच आउट एनी टाइम. Just say your contact number.
So 9051 02 3737.
And tell us about your branches.
Our branches, one is in SaltLake, that is sector 1, CA block, CA47. Second one is in Barrackpore, and the third one and the oldest one of all is in Shyamnagar, Ichapur.
Okay, so let's start this video.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. What all we have done on the XUV700?
So today we will show you a different configuration altogether, and we will reveal a new product in store, in house, and being installed for the first time in Calcutta at NS AutoZone.
And we have given a small glimpse on the previous video.
You already gave a glimpse in the last video.
Right. So please.
So I'll start off, not to be very late, but I'll start with the same thing to disclose. We have a HQ Bravo Stetsom amplifier in stock. We have installed this HQ400.4 Bravo series into this 700. It's a pure compact and a palm size amplifier. I'll take this opportunity to show you the amplifier as well.
Right.
So it's a palm size amplifier with a lot of power inside it. So with this amplifier, it's an HQ amplifier. We have installed two pair of components, which is Morel MK3. It's already a very famous and very renowned components. So I'll show you the amplifier again. You must have seen the speakers already.
Yeah.
So it's a compact amplifier, as you see, as good as the size of my palm.
Right.
And it's not any regular amplifier which we know. It's not so big. Why it is not so big? Because it's purely based on chip based amplifier. It's not a coil based or something like that. So whatever it is a electronics. It's a simplified crisp chip based HQ amplifier. It's not like a regular amplifier. And the most important part is that it can work at 2 ohms and 4 ohms both.
Okay.
At 4 ohms it works 60 RMS per channel, and at 2 ohms it can go up to 105, as in 105 RMS per channel.
Wow. And there is a 4-channel amp.
Yeah, it is a 4-channel amp. 400.4 stands for 4-channel amplifier.
Right. And this can max power output, we can see 400 watt RMS.
Yes, 400 RMS at 2 ohms impedance.
Okay, right. So we
It's
got
a
the
Brazilian
amplifier.
brand.
Okay. And we got a new kind of underseat subwoofer as well.
Yes, you won't find this very common nowadays, because it's the Venom series from Aura. It's a Russian brand again, Aura, and we have chosen the Venom series because it is the best active subwoofer I have ever heard in this price range.
Okay.
Because it has got a passive radiator which works on a reflex box system. It works on that technology. So it's a different. It has got a very deep bass. At a very low volume, you can enjoy the deep bass, which mostly we get from ultra sub bass subwoofers of a big size, or a slim subwoofer of a big size.
Okay.
Let's say a 10-inch or a 12-inch subwoofer.
Okay.
So this can reproduce that effect at a very low volume expected. So 250 RMS class D is the specification of the same.
Also, this thing is very compact and it will hide under the seat.
Yeah, under the seat.
So it will not take the boot space.
Not at all. We are not compromising on the boot space here.
Right. And we have got the famous components. Everybody knows
Morel.
about this.
Yeah.
Morel Mark III Maximo.
Yeah.
And there is a 6.5 inch. Yeah.
It is a 6.5 inch.
6.5
two-way
inch,
component system.
Okay.
It's a passive one with a crossover and twitter.
And what wiring and damping you use?
We always keep it secret.
Okay.
Because having said that, whatever it is the recipe which we keep secret. Few of the brand names you already know, like Shyamnagar and all. We definitely use monster cables. Too many things we use, we shuffle around, but it totally depends on the configurations which we do. We never reveal our wiring things. You may see it in our video, but again, it has certain things which are hidden, and it should be with us only. So that's the secret of our business.
Right. And what damping you use?
Damping we have given a gold series from Autofun.
Okay. How much layers?
It's a 2.6 mm thickness damping, and it is a double layer damping which we have provided in this car.
Right. So now let's go into the car and show them the car, and also except the audio, there are seat covers and soft touch
door pads.
Okay.
Okay, we have diffusers in the front and rear.
Right.
And we have many more things.
Right. We will show you everything. So stay tuned. Watch till the end.
Be able to turn the tables, I could do this. Just keep moving, keep your hands up, stupid. I feel lucid, a new view, and I can see the end, I can see my future, I can view it. It's right there for the taking. Everything I've ever wanted, dreams are just waiting. I just gotta fight for it, willing to die for it, willing to like soreness, I just need a hike for it. I'm standing up cause I've had enough. I won't give up, I'm a champ. As long as I'm breathing, I'm not retreating. I could be bleeding, I'll take a beating and keep on proceeding. I'm not fatiguing, cause once I enter the ring, I'll be undefeated.
Finally, the car is done, and what all? Yes.
Finally done, 10:30.
10:30.
Tomorrow is Holi. Happy Holi in advance.
So what all we have done?
So we have done a crisp audio setup from Morel, as we already showed in the previous part. And what we have done is given a diffuser look to the car. 700 is incomplete without this diffuser, as we already. It's very sporty and it adds to the total overall aesthetics to the car.
Right.
Yeah. And in the rear part again we have a diffuser. It's a special diffuser. You don't find it everywhere. So that's again a diffuser. And in the interior we have done a seat cover with a door pad and the arm padding with an armrest. All soft touch.
Okay. So let us show the rear.
Yes. Yes, this is the most interesting part, I will say. It's the most interesting part. The diffuser in the rear part will give you a look of the Volvo or Range Rover.
Right. It changes the whole look of it.
It changes overall.
Right. So let us shift to the interior.
Yes. As we can see, the soft touch which have been given in AX7L, you find this ventilated kind of seat cover. It's a perforated seat cover, not a ventilated one. But yes, it gives you that same richness which you find in the AX7L in the top variant.
Right. And which brand is this?
This is AutoFit, which is our in-house brand. And in order to have such seat cover, you need to spend a hefty amount. For this, you need not spend so much.
Right. You can see the fit and finishing. Everything is bucket fitted, and you can check the armrest out over here. The armrest is also done, and you can check the door pads out with proper stitching. And next thing, we will listen to the audio. Right. And steering stitch is also done in this car. You can see the proper steering stitch over here, and we have already said what all we have done in this car. So let's start the car up and let's hear the audio output right now. In front and rear we have Morel Maximo
MK3.
MK3.
Yes.
And with the amplifier, with the compact amplifier, where we say that again please?
We have this HQ400.4 Bravo Stetsom amplifier has been installed inside the car.
Right.
Yeah.
And underseat subwoofer of
Underseat
Aura.
the Aura Venom series.
Right. We will now hear the crazy audio output.
At 16, huh?
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't believe the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the
भाई साहब ऑडियो आउटपुट कैसा लगा जरूर से कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ। एंड डिफ्यूजर के बाद XUV700 का लुक ही बहुत चेंज हो चुका है with the white seat covers and the soft touch door pads. And how you guys like the car, do comment down below. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you guys liking this kind of content, more of information, crisp content with proper output and everything, so do definitely let us know and do show them some love over their Instagram and YouTube page. Subscribe to their channel, subscribe to follow their Instagram. I will link everything in the description box below. And if you guys haven't seen this Jazz's video, go watch that as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video for whatever reason, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on. Follow me on Instagram at @teammate.username 404 as always. And at the end of today's video, I look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye.
As long as I'm breathing, I'm not retreating.